everybody. This is Mrs. Warham. I'm going to read to you a story called No Honking Allowed. I have permission from the Holiday House Publishing Incorporation to read this story out loud to you. Today, we're going to read this story, No Honking Allowed, and it is written by Stephanie Hamilton. Hi, Rex. Hi, Stego. Come for a ride in my dino car. I like to go fast and I like to go far. We'll buckle our seatbelts. That's for safety, you know. Click. We're all set. Now we go. I love the sounds my new car makes. Vroom goes the engine. Screech! Slow down, Rex! Goes the brakes. Honk! That's my horn. It's loud as can be. Honk, honk, honk! It's perfect for me. Rex, sign says no honking. Whoops. Look at that driver speeding to town. Can I honk to remind her she better slow down? No. No honking allowed. Whoopsies. Surprise, surprise, I see someone I know. I'll honk to say hello. No honking allowed. There's another sign. That dog walker's leash is all twisted up. I'll honk so he'll know to untangle the pup. Don't honk. The dog will go wild. See that cute buggy with kids passing by? I'll make them happy when I honk to say hi. Don't honk. You'll scare them. That boom box blasting makes me frown. I'll honk to tell them to turn it down. No honking. No hollering. Oopsies. A dino's littering. That's really bad. I'll honk and I'll tell him it makes me mad. No. No honking allowed. Listen. Sirens. Woo, woo, woo. A fire truck's coming. I gotta get through. Nobody's moving. The streets are a mess. I've got to honk now. Stego, please say yes. Yes! Honk! One honk didn't help and the truck's getting near. I must honk again. Long, loud, and clear. Go for it, Rex. Honk, honk, honk. Wee, 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 wee. The fire truck made it. I helped clear the way. Can I honk for happy? What do you say? Will you let him honk? Because he's happy? Rex, honking is for safety, and that is the rule. For anything else, it just